My name is Braxton, and I'm going to be opening a Pokemon set. So let's see what's in here. First, we got some cards and a coin. They look nice. Eh. Next, we have some packs. Yeah. And then
You have to show us the stuff that you're taking out.
So we have Destined Rivals, Mega Evolution, and Journey Together. And then we have Mega Evolution Lucario. And then we just have some more stickers. Mega Gardevoir. And then just more stickers. And then, look at what we have here. And then we have something where we could put the cards in.
Cute little binder.
Yeah, a little binder. I might put my cards in here. And now, which pack should I do? I'm gonna do Journeys Together. See if I can pull a bubble view. Oh, it's impossible to pull. Used to be able to do this, but. This is a good sign. That means there might be something in here. First, we're going up with electric energy.
You're not reading them.
Voltorb, Cinccino, Marapius, Tentacruel, Bayonet, Articuno.
Wow.
Let's see it. Whoa.
That's nice.
And then we have a werewolf, a werewolf. And that's it for now. See you guys later.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned.